This is airport polling right next to Naples Airport. I'm on airport polling heading northbound, about to come up on Etsy Avenue. There are cars completely submerged in water down here. There is 4 to 6 feet of ocean water, the Gulf of Mexico water, on the roads 4 miles from the beach, and it's flowing like the tide's coming in. I'll show you what I mean by that in a second. It's just flowing in still, so you could see down each street it's coming in, not from the cars, but you could see on this cross street how it's just flowing down and getting deeper and deeper. I mean, there's a 7-Eleven right there, there's restaurants, there's a high school right there. I've never seen flooding make it to Airport Road. It's insanity. So the Gordon River must have overflowed for all this water to be up here. It's crazy.